Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my live. Okay, so you guys know we're always going to use I Envy lashes. I Envy lashes, the Crystal Glow. I think it's pronounced Marquise. And we're going to do a little fun makeup. I'm going to use I Envy eyeshadow palette. It's called Rose. So Rose mostly have natural colors in it as well in the gold colors and nude. So I don't know if I'm going to do a cut crease. I'm just going to do all over my eyelid. So this one is called Love Hurts. So I'm going to just apply all over. Good morning, you guys. If you're just coming onto my live, please tap on that screen, show your girl love, and also share my live. So I'm applying Lovesick all over my eyelid. Okay. Now I have this called Sweetness. I never use this color here, so I'm just going to apply that here. So that's kind of like buffing that out a little bit, give it more of an edge. Hey, good morning, guys. And I'm going to use Propose. Okay, I think my lash is on. And I forgot my concealer. I'm trying to say, should I use concealer or should I just use pressing powder? I'm just going to probably use pressing powder. So this is Nicka K pressing powder. I think this is in the color Mahogany. So I'm just going to apply a little of that. Oops, I forgot to spray my brush. I might have to use a little bit of concealer because it's kind of like a little darker. Thank you. Yeah, it's a little too dark. So, because I want my makeup to look a little bit more natural. So I'm going to use Nicka K Affordable Concealer 06 Carto. I'm just going to apply a little here. And I'm going to apply the cinnamon. Good morning, guys. If you're just coming in, please tap on that screen and show your girl some love. Yeah, they still look natural. No makeup, makeup. Okay, so we're going to do the opposite side. So we're going to be using I Envy Rose palette, and I'm going to be using, what I did with that other brush. I'm going to use, Love Hurts. I use this color here, and I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelids. If you guys are just coming into my live, please tap on that screen and show your girls some love, and also share my live. Good morning. Jose, thank you. Good morning. And then I'm going to take my brush here, and I'm going to use this color. It's called Sweetness. And if you guys are interested in buying this eyeshadow palette, you can go to ivyusa.com, ivyusa.com, and you can get the lip glosses and the eyeshadow palettes. They have 4 different colors. So if you are interested in buying the rose, the nude, the gold, and the rainbow, go to ivyusa.com, ivyusa.com. Thank you. Thank you, Dean. So just blending it out. It's kind of like a brownish purple color. And my favorite eyeliner is Ruby Kisses Black is Black. All of the merchandise except for Nika K, which is the concealers and pressing powder, go up on me, but the black goes on very smoothly. So this is Ruby Kisses Tattoo, Black is Black if you're very interested in it. And we're going to do the lashes. This is also by I Envy. This is their new line, Crystal Glow. They have not put it on their new website yet. I'm going to keep checking. So if you guys are interested in the new line of their lashes, the Airy Mink and the Crystal Glow, I will let you guys know when they're available on their site, because I've been looking for it as well. So not yet. I'm gonna check today and see if it's on their site. So I'm just applying a little bit of glue around the lash, the rim of the lash, with my brush, and this is a clear glue, and it comes in black. If you're interested in just black glue and not the clear, they have it, and it only costs $3.99, which is very affordable. And it doesn't irritate your eyes. It don't make your eyes red. This is one of the best lash glues to use. So this is my lash once again. I'm going to apply and I'm going to bend my lash a little bit so it can fit my eye once I apply it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my lash. Oops. If you guys haven't already, please tap on that screen. So I'm going to go back in with this gold eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this gold. It's called Worthy. If you guys can see it, I'm going to use this color here, and I'm just going to apply it in the middle, just a little bit, not a lot. I just wanted to show a little bit of shimmer. Oh, well, at least you're going to practice, so that should be fun. I am a sales associate. So I'm going to take my pressing powder again, but I'm going to go in and use a little lighter tone because I know this one have a redder base to it. I just want to have more of a coverage. I'm trying to make sure my eyeliner is about the same as this side here. So I'm going to use the lighter color again, which is Carto by Nika K. I'm just going to put a little there, and then I'm going to use cinnamon. This bag. So I'm gonna get my little comb. Oops. So this already. And I just kind of like roll the hair a little bit, just brush it going around to have that. And then I'm just gonna comb this side just behind my ear so you guys can see like the makeup more. So it's like I'm not covering my face.